What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? You already know what it is. It's Miss Try New Things, and I'm back at it again. Guess what I got? It's snack time. A little snack before dinner, but it is what it is. Break me off a piece of that Kit Kat bar. You feel me? We got the Kit Kat ice cream. You hear me? Shout out to Walmart, because that's where I got it from. Ooh. I see Bay already digged into it. Ooh, a little frosty bite. But ooh, chocolate leader, let's get into it. Okay. Let's get the pieces with the Kit Kat with it. Mmm. 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 It tastes just like it. Chocolate. It got the Kit Kat pieces in here. Oh, I'm about to do my thing before dinner. My bad. This it. This the one.